it's 5 ticks higher. So I would just go with the 5 ticks higher and don't risk missing the trade there. Um, so at any rate, here's what your setup is. So here again, here's your measured move here. So the 50% mark takes you to 60004. Okay, so that's roughly about I think just a touch under 2 to 1, I think. And in fact, if we look right here, you'll see right there. So we can see, and this is what I'm starting to put up here now. Okay, the zone itself is 12 full ticks. Incidentally, when you look in trading view, you might notice, let's say for this, you might see it says 24 ticks and $5 per tick, because what they're doing is they are using half ticks. Um, I prefer just to kind of stick with the whole ticks. And so the whole tick is here, right here, you'll see the whole tick goes from 5984, and then the next one would be 5985, 5986, etc. But you'll notice there is that fifth digit here, and those digits go 0 and 5. Those are half ticks. They're kind of a royal pain in the butt, to put it politely. So I just prefer to kind of deal with the half tick, excuse me, the full ticks, because I know a lot of people, particularly when they kind of start out with this, they get confused with these half ticks because it gets too busy. So for me, it's just 5984, 5985, 5986, etc. Okay, so you'll see here when I present these setups, okay, it's 12 ticks at $10 a tick. So you'll know right there.